Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a coffee shop. Start by envisioning your ideal coffee shop. What makes it special? Who are you serving? Once you have a clear concept, craft a detailed business plan. This document will be your roadmap, outlining everything from your startup costs, which can range from $30,000 to $300,000, to your marketing strategy. Don't forget to investigate local zoning laws and obtain all required permits before you begin. Choosing the right location is paramount for success. Look for areas with strong foot traffic and easy accessibility. Next, focus on designing an interior that reflects your brand and provides a comfortable atmosphere for your guests. Consider seating arrangements, counter flow, and back-of-house efficiency. Invest in reliable, high-quality equipment, such as a commercial espresso machine, which can cost upwards of $15,000. Your menu is the heart of your coffee shop. Develop a selection of beverages and food items that appeal to your target market, focusing on quality and consistency. Establish relationships with local suppliers for fresh ingredients. Building a strong team is equally important. Hire passionate individuals and provide thorough training on coffee preparation, customer service, and point-of-sale systems to ensure a smooth operation. Before opening your doors, create a robust marketing plan. Leverage social media platforms to showcase your unique offerings and build anticipation. Consider local partnerships and promotions to expand your reach. A well-executed grand opening event can create significant buzz and attract your first wave of customers. Offer special discounts or free samples to encourage people to try your coffee and experience your new space.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.